So for this Blender how-to video, we're going to show you how to use the edge modeling workflow. It's really simple. So what you do is take a reference from the side view, and put it in your image as a reference. Then take a plane, put it on either vertice or edge mode, and try to line it up to like part of the reference image, and then extrude like different sides of it. I'll show you, and then from there build it up. I'll show you a real quick example, but it really does help with building small models really fast and just making your life easier. So hopefully, this Edgeflow edge edge modeling workflow will help you. So okay, let's get started. So let's delete the cube and add a plane, right? And let's see, RX 90, so it's the right view, and Shift A, image reference, Blender. I did this amazing reference in Paint, so hope you like it. All right, 10, it's in the back, and you can see it from both sides. Cool. All right, and then edge. All right, let's hit that. Time for edit. So take this G and then put it over here, and then try to match it up with the vertices. So like this, right? And then we can extrude these two vertices over and over again. And how many times you want to do it, that's entirely up to you, but do it enough so that things line up pretty well. And then let's line this up. So press G, press the vertices. Right. There we are. And see, then we can do a Control R for that. Those gray sections right here, that just means that let's say this vertex right here is more toward what's it called? More towards into the figure. Alright, so these two do desolve vertices. Actually, no. Yeah. Desolve vertices right here. And then these two, I think it's J. No. Separate, merge vertex. No. Connect vertex path. Doesn't work. Pairs. Okay, there it is. Alright. Let's change it up. And we're going to do the similar thing, but with what do you call the bottom half here. So Control R again. This time we won't have to delete that. And we're good. All right. So the last part is here. So Control R. Right. These two, we're just gonna delete this one. Delete vertex. Then from here to here. We are gonna do connects pair path. Oh, that's not working. Okay, so let's go back. We'll just leave it like this then, and then just make this go pretty close to each other. All right, and there we have it. All right, so before we continue, let's do a mirror for this. So E, like that, then press 3, then G, Y, and put it right about in the middle. I think that's pretty good, right? And then we can do, let's see, tab, I think, edit, Premiere, and then, nope, wrong way. Wrong way. Oh. That probably did not help. Okay, so let's do it again. Extrude this way, then G, Y, sorry, take that out, G, Y, G, Y, about the middle, then auto mirror. There we are, okay. So then, let's see, right. G, make it a little bigger, cool. All right, and then press 1. So what we know is that this right here, from that gray area, it's more that way. So what we can do is press that, and then press G, and then pull it like this. So it has that indentation right there. Okay, and then for this gray area right here, press 1 again. Let's see. Right. So there we have like that gray indentation right there. Take that out. But yeah, so then we've kind of modeled our reference image pretty fast. We could have added like here another loop cut and make this a little more, what do you call it? A little more, what's it called? Anyway, we could have made it look a little more like the reference image, but you get the gist. This is really helpful, and I hope it helps. Sorry if it was a little slow. I'm still learning it myself, but hope it helps, and best of luck.